What was our topic today?
Last time we
Indeed.
discussed about this thing, Indian approach to philosophy as psychology.
Today it's psychology and fingerprints.
Psychology
Indian
and
approach.
Okay. So there is always a principle in Sanskritam which says like, Jnadat Ajnadam Prati. From what you know, you should move into what you don't know.
Right.
Right? So there are people who are already into practices. Alchemy, are you there? Am I audible, sir?
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Yes,
Ah.
yes.
Okay. So you've been practicing fingerprints, right?
Yes.
Okay. And how have you found it? Like, connecting fingerprints with psychology.
Exactly what you want to ask. Can you repeat?
Like, we have been talking about fingerprints. We connect with psychology, right?
Yeah.
How would you value it?
I can say, as by my experience, fingerprints are very much connected to psychology because it all depends how a person think. If a person is thinking in a like singular manner, or he always thinks about from the perception of me, myself, so the thinking is very much different. And if the person is thinking that we ourselves, the thinking is very much different. So like in fingerprints gives a wholesome approach to understand the psychology of a person.
Okay. So we are limiting it to psychology, right?
No, it's a one aspect.
One aspect that we have been following, we have been taking into account the modern psychological area, and we are trying to connect it with the fingerprints. This is what has been happening, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, those who are already practicing, how far do you see that, connection of fingerprint with psychology has literally helped uh, the clients with the kind of reports that are taken, with the kind of counseling that is done? How far have you seen, like, how effective it is there for, how effective it is for the clients? It's helpful. That's from Suman, it's helpful. How, in what way was it helpful? Now, when we are literally taking out these kind of things, we should have certain objective, precision. We should be clear that, okay, this is what exactly it has happened with my experience. We should be able to say that, like, because we are all working on it, right? Yes. So who is going to help me out? Like, how precisely can we say that it focuses on psychology? How precisely that we can say that, this percentage of change has happened in my clients after doing this? Hello, Appa, you there?
Yes, I am there.
I'm trying to add that, one galaxy. This thing is.
No, actually, every time we have asked them this person to
Okay, so
mention
are you
their name, so I have declined him at this.
done.
They are not
I
listening.
understand. Okay. So how far we can say, like, when I started off, like when I say my experience, when I started off with my own fingerprint analysis, and I was counseled by this particular person. Okay. He had taken the franchisee, and he didn't know. I didn't tell him that I'm a psychologist. At that point of time, I was working as a teacher also, so I didn't literally give any information further. I said I'm a teacher, so I just want to know what it is as part of my research program. Then he took the fingerprints, he gave me the report, the 30 plus pages that we give, and along with that he did a small counseling for me, wherein I felt many of the points were not right. That was not me.
Okay.
But there were many points which were actually, yes, it was there.
Hmm.
So this gave me a mixed feeling, and maybe because being in this profession, I understood, okay, this person is not very good with counseling. He has given me certain points, but the way he talked, the way he was, literally having the command on the subject, I felt like, then no, maybe because this person does not know, there is something more into it.
Hmm.
And that is how I asked him, can I get in touch with people who is actually doing the trainings and things like that, so that I can do a little bit more research on it. Okay, then I started, working in the family. Then I started working it with my clients. I understood there it gives deeper insights and deeper aspects. Something which is not there in the report, something which is not there in the synopsis report, but more than that. So this is my experience. So if you ask me, without understanding the this thing, Indian part of it, if you take only the Western part of it, I was finding things a little bit difficult because I was not able to connect it with the realities. I had that problem. It might be my problem. Has anybody experienced that?
Yeah, like it's a very generalized way in West, I feel, from whatever experience I had. But if we consider our Indian aspect, it's we'll understand one format doesn't fit everyone. It's a different
Exactly.
format for different individuals.
Exactly. Exactly. It is definitely different format. But this is what, those people who have already done their DMIT and, they have been into counseling, there might be some areas which might have got into conflict, which might not have got into conflict just because you are able to understand your client. It is not the
Yes, ma'am,
report.
I will share something about
Huh.
my experience. Okay. So
Sure.
after, see, I started around 2010, and in the around down the line 3 years, after spending 3 years and selling almost more than 900 reports, suddenly one day a thing struck me. Whatever we are telling them through the report, they already know. Means, for
Exactly.
example, in my time में major मतलब क्या ना जोर ज्यादा इस पे होता था कि लाइक उसका पर्सनालिटी द वीगल आउट and the entire counseling used to revolve around that. Okay, so one day I thought ki the family already knows his behavior. Okay, what value we are adding to it? So
Right.
that was the turning point. We are not adding anything which either their family or the person doesn't know. So if I have been into their place, then I would have felt that it's a waste of money. Okay, so all the things were going superficial. मीन्स सारी ऊपर ऊपर से चल रही थी कि ना आप अग्रेसिव हो, आप कंप्लायंट हो, आप ऐसे हो वैसे हो. So that was not something they were looking for. They were looking for something else, which even at that point I didn't knew, because no company had trained me on fingerprints to in depth, and no such trainings were available. So we were also like beating in the bush for first 3-4 years. And then after that the journey of research started ki there has to be some deep insights through fingerprints, and we should be able to decode it properly. So that's how the things went. And still today, like no, there is a problem that the superficial counselings are going on. Many times the person doesn't know that these things are into them. अगर किसी इंसान से पूछो कि वो ऐसा है, he will not accept easily, but his family members know, they will acknowledge it. So you encounter various cases, various challenges, and then you come to know that important links are missing in it. Then only you try to find the answers to it.
Right. Very true.
And talking about the report, many times it happened that there was a huge contradictions. Okay, like the logic was lowest, but the child is good in maths. I had done one report for a professor. He was a young chap. He was training these engineering students, and he was a gold medalist in mathematics. And his logic was surprisingly on 7th, 8th number.
Okay.
So I didn't give him report because he would have debated me like anything. Okay. So that such incidences make me feel that I don't know about the fingerprints much. Then later on, when we slowly started knowing about fingerprints, then I revisited those cases where the contradictions were. He had reverse loop on logic.
Okay.
The rich count was less as compared to other. But what used to happen in previous, the major emphasis was only on rich counting, and based on percentage, high low were calculated. But that person was having strong reverse loop, and it was elongated reverse loop.
Oh my God.
So that's how I found the answer after 2 years, why he was able to perform into that particular area. So that's how
The same thing happened with me just before the 8 days before. There was a gold medalist, and he was just in the research sector with very high level. Means he was representing India just because of top 30 from all over the Asia, and his logic was zero. He just means he was shocked, and he called me at night 12 o'clock something. Pratik, what you are doing? That logic is zero or what in report? Then I told sir, wait, when we'll do counseling, we'll get it. Then I found that there are arc patterns.
Okay.
Then I explained. Then he told it's okay. Literally, that report is not at all good, we can say. Because it makes a lot of confusions.
It does make confusion, yes. And I've also experienced, like, there are many times, maybe being in this profession, I was a little more cautious. I am generally a little cautious. Like, before I experience, I make sure that it can be applied. I will not talk to anybody about it. So initially and all, I was going to all these, services, doing it. I was paying it from my pocket just to learn whether this matches or not. Unless and until it matches, you cannot even talk about it to your clients. So I started doing reverse, like, I started gathering information from my evidence, and then I started comparing and learning. But many times this used to create a whole lot of issue, which always kept questioning, like, okay, there can be another way of doing it. Because we used to give importance only to the high retention. High percentage means that is your capability, but that if you get stuck, that is the worst enemy you can have. So those kind of things I was literally...
And moreover, sorry to interrupt, as Pratik shared, when it comes to art, they assign it 0, and that's the weakest zone of the report. Means people are bound to get into doubts. They are bound to argue with you how come it is 0, because
exactly
many people take it on
लेकिन
ego.
सर मैंने भी सॉरी
sure
नहीं, मैंने भी एक बार शेयर किया था सेम थिंग कि जो मेरा बेटा है बड़ा, जब मैंने उसकी रिपोर्ट करवाई थी, और ही वाज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी एग्जाम, और उसका लॉजिक ब्रेन पे 0 आया था लॉजिक उसका। तो वो रिपोर्ट मैंने उससे छुपा दी थी क्योंकि वो इतनी एक्सपर्ट नहीं थी, तो मैंने रिपोर्ट उसकी छुपा दी, और उसने फर्स्ट टाइम में ही सीए अपना क्लियर कर लिया था। बाद में मुझे जब मैंने खुद समझे पैटर्न्स, तो मुझे पता चला कि उस पे आर्क पैटर्न था। तो देखिए अर्थ का अनर्थ हो जाता है, अगर बच्चा एग्जाम से पहले वो रिपोर्ट देख लेता तो वो पूरी तरह डिमोटिवेटेड हो जाता।
एग्जैक्टली
पर
एग्जैक्टली
एक्चुअली इसमें
तो जब
बहुत सी
तक
बार
आपको
गलत ऐसा
जिससे
होता है।
पता नहीं हो तब तक आपको पूरी तरह से इसमें मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है, सॉफ्टवेयर कोई भी गिमिक आपके साथ खेल सकता है। जब तक आपको फिंगरप्रिंट खुद समझने नहीं आते हो तब तक काउंसलिंग करना ही नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है।
एग्जैक्टली।
That
एक्चुअली
is
इसमें
one
ऐसा होता
one.
है कि हम जो जीरो होता है ना, उसमें
हम्म।
ज्यादा करके काउंसलर बोलते हैं जीरो टू हीरो, जीरो मीन्स आर्क वाला पैटर्न। बट मैंने
आपको
देखा कि
पता
इतना
नहीं था ना,
हमेशा नहीं
उसमें
होता
तो
है।
दिखा रहा था कि वो है मतलब
जीरो है।
लॉजिकल ब्रेन में 0 दिया हुआ था। और वो बच्चा शुरू से ही, वैसे मुझे समझ में आया कि ये बच्चा हमेशा हाईएस्ट मार्क्स मैथ्स और अकाउंट्स में लाता रहा है, तो 0 कैसे हो सकता है। बट ठीक है, मैंने फिर वो छुपा दी क्योंकि उसको एक्सप्लेन करना उस समय मुश्किल होता है, बच्चा डिमोटिवेट ना हो जाए, तो वो मैंने उसे छुपा दिया। तो
You are a
साथ
clever
ही
mother.
है कि आप बोल रहे थे कि हम लोग पर्सनालिटी लोगों की बताते हैं कि कैसे आप कंप्लायंस हो, आप ये हो, तो एक बताने का तरीका होता है जिनसे मैंने सीखा था फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं उन्हें मिली। तो उन्होंने कहा आपकी पहले हम फिंगरप्रिंट ले लेते हैं। तो जब मेरी उनसे फर्स्ट मीटिंग हुई आफ्टर गिविंग द फिंगरप्रिंट, जैसे ही मैं उनके केबिन में एंटर हुई, ही सेड हाउ आर यू, कहाँ आप काम करते हो एंड ऑल। अच्छा अलका मैम एक बात बताइए इफ यू डोंट माइंड। मैंने कहा बताइए क्या। कहते हैं कहीं आपने जिम विम ज्वाइन करने का सोचा है क्या। तो बोले, मैंने कहा क्यों। कहते हैं अगर सोचा है ना तो मत करना, या तो करो भी तो 1-2 महीने की फीस भरना बस। मैंने कहा व्हाई यू सेइंग लाइक दैट। बोले आप जितनी बार फीस भरोगी ना 1 साल की आपकी वेस्ट जाएगी, आप छोड़ दोगे बीच में। आई थॉट इसको कैसे पता मैं 3 साल की फीस वेस्ट कर चुकी हूँ अपनी। हर बार 1 साल की मेंबरशिप ली, 2 महीने में छोड़ दी। तो उन्हें मतलब ये एक तरीका होता है काउंसिल करने का, वो मुझे बहुत काम आया कि मैंने जितने भी बच्चों की जहाँ मुझे उनकी मोटर स्किल वीक दिखे, तो मैंने पेरेंट्स को हमेशा यही बोला कि बच्चा अगर किसी स्पोर्ट में जाना चाहता है तो जाने दो, लेकिन पूरे साल की लंबी चौड़ी फीस मत भरना, पहले 1 महीने की भरना, अगर उसे इंटरेस्ट हो तब आगे जाके भरना। तो बहुत लोगों के लाखों रुपए बच गए। तो ये मेरी चीज बड़े काम आई।
I have one question.
Yeah.
Sir.
This zero to hero, जो अभी शायद प्रतीक सर ने जो कहा, तो is it a right comment?
No, not at all, sir.
नहीं, please don't mind, प्रतीक सर।
नहीं, जल्दी से बिल्कुल नहीं है ये वाली राइट कमेंट, क्योंकि मैंने खुद ने एक्सपीरियंस किया है। जीरो टू हीरो सिर्फ बोलने के लिए है वो। मैंने आधे से ज्यादा रिपोर्ट में पाया है कि वो बच्चे के अंदर वो क्वालिटी रहती ही नहीं है। एंड जब मैं इसके अंदर रीच काउंट के थ्रू गया ना काउंसलिंग के लिए, तो वहां पे क्लियरली समझ में आया कि कौन जीरो होता है और कौन हीरो होता है।
नहीं एक्चुअली ये जो शायद हमने कुछ सेशंस के पहले भी डिस्कस किया था, जिसमें मैंने ओपनली बताया था कि आर्क के केस में ना ये सॉफ्टवेयर जो भी एक ट्रेंड शुरू से जब से DMIT सॉफ्टवेयर इंडिया में एंटर किया है, अब जिस बंदे ने भी बनाया है उसको, उसने क्या किया, एक अपना थॉट प्रोसेस डाल दिया कि आर्क में रिच काउंट नहीं होता, इसलिए उसको X या 0 बोल के छोड़ दिया ओपन एरिया। फिर उसके बियॉन्ड एक और गलती क्या किया, और चलो X0 छोड़ दिया तो समझे वाली बात थी कि उसको टेक्निकली वो एक्सप्लेन भी कर सकते थे। बट वहां पे जब फिर टैगलाइंस ऐड होगी ना कि इनफिनाइट पोटेंशियल, बॉर्न जीनियस, तो वहां पे गड़बड़ हो गई है। बिकॉज आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग 4-5 years आई रियलाइज कि आर्क के केस में एप्लीकेबल नहीं है। और इनफिनाइट कैसे हो सकता है, बिकॉज इंसान एवरीथिंग लिविंग ऑन दिस प्लैनेट इज फाइनाइट, सो पोटेंशियल विल आल्सो बी फाइनाइट। और उनको जो मेंटोर कर रहे हैं वो भी तो लूप्स या वर्ल्ड्स ही होंगे, तो उनका भी अगर वो फाइनाइट है तो इसका पोटेंशियल इनफिनाइट कैसे जा सकता है। सो दैट इज हाउ फिर क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग बहुत होने लगी, और समहाउ फिर मैंने वो चेंज किया, मेरा डिस्कोर्स ही चेंज किया कि मैं आर्ट्स को अब उस नजर से नहीं देखता, इनफिनिट पोटेंशियल की नजर से नहीं देखता।
Good. Anyone like to contribute? Anyone like to add on?
I think we should never share the reports first unless
Exactly.
we complete the counselings.
Right.
जब तक हम फिंगरप्रिंट नहीं देखते ना सर, तब तक ये फिंगरप्रिंट अपना रिपोर्ट शेयर मत कीजिए। एक बार आपने खुद ने फिंगरप्रिंट स्टडी कर ली तो बिंदास आप रिपोर्ट शेयर कर सकते हो, क्योंकि सामने वाले को रिपोर्ट दे भी दो ना।
It is better to share after you do the counselings or while
Even
you
you
are doing
give report any time, वो सामने वाले को समझ में ही नहीं आता है। हमेशा आपके पास ये बोलेगा, सर आपने क्या दे दिया रिपोर्ट में, तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है। Always he will complain.
कुछ लोग रहते हैं ना जो बहुत ही आधा, हर चीज में आधा रहता है, So they start making their own judgments on that.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Now coming back to the this thing, what is the Indian approach towards fingerprints? ये
This
तो हम
is
सारे byproduct की बात कर रहे
nee,
हैं.
whatever we know, like, you know, we have been seeing fingerprints, and with all respect to whoever who you know, made the attempt actually to come out with something or other with regard to fingerprints, something has come up, somebody has learned it, they had their limitation, maybe it was like, you know, trying to put everything into the modern psychology or modern science area. It was finding it a little bit of difficulty, but these fingerprints actually led us to all these Indian sciences, all, you know, researching into the Indian sciences, not the Indian side going into the Indian science, but researching into it. So if we literally get back, like, you know, into history and all, where we talk about fingerprints being used for as a selection criteria, it is absolutely true. It was true, because many of the areas which mention about it, if you literally get into, I don't know whether, you know, somebody has seen Shuka Nadi or, you know, all those kind of Nadi, it is connected with Jyotisham also. It is connected with these kind of secretive learnings, and you know, they give out certain information which is just beyond your psychology. So for if you literally look into fingerprints just on the basis of psychology, you get a very limited knowledge about it. On the other hand, you have a one big orchard of knowledge, which if you can decode and utilize, you can literally help a person, not just helping a person, guide that person to know what he or she is and just to live their life. That is all what you should do. Let them have their own experiences and understand and, you know, take themselves forward. So whatever counseling that we do, it from counseling to it becomes a coaching.
अच्छा, Jasna ma'am.
Huh.
We have very intellectual and very curious and passionate people in this forum, like Kishore sir, even Pratik, and many other. Those are not available today. अच्छा, क्या आप सब लोगों ने अपने एंड पे कोशिश किया है जो इंडियन सोर्सेज है, टेक्स्ट बुक्स है या स्क्रिप्चर्स है जो फिंगरप्रिंट्स के बारे में, उनको पढ़ के समझने का? एंड इफ यू कैन शेयर विद अस, किशोर सर, प्रतीक.
Can you repeat? You're not audible in between.
अच्छा, नाउ आई एम ऑडिबल.
Yeah.
अच्छा, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ सर कि अभी क्या किसी ने ये जो स्क्रिप्चर्स है, जो पामिस्ट्री के बुक्स है या रिसर्च बुक्स है या ओल्ड टेस्टिमेंट्स है, तो उनको पढ़कर फिंगरप्रिंट्स के बारे में कुछ समझने का कोशिश किया है क्या? किसी ने भी? एनीबॉडी कैन आंसर. दोज हु हैव गॉन थ्रू सर्टेन बुक्स ऑफ इंडियन.
मैंने थोड़ा सा ट्राई किया था इसके ऊपर, और मैंने इंटेलिजेंस जो है, मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस, उसको अपने प्लैनेट से कनेक्ट करके देखा था, क्योंकि जो 5 प्लैनेट बताया था, तो उसमें मैंने पाया कि 90% हम कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. जैसे आप जो बताते हैं इमोशन एंड एक्सप्रेशन, उसके अंदर वो सन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ऐसे बताया है. और कहीं ना कहीं सन को भी उसके अंदर एक्सप्रेशंस
feelings, emotions, moon will express.
Hi, what sir?
In astrology, moon represents emotions.
In astrology, moon represents your emotions.
Yes. But whatever I studied, कि जो अपना ये होता है palm history, उसमें मून तो दिया ही नहीं है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो पाम पे आ रहा है. जब हम फिंगर की बात करते हैं तो फिंगर में सन आता है, और सिंगर एज ए 1 नंबर लेते हैं न्यूमरोलॉजी में भी. तो 1 नंबर जो होता है वो अपने कम्युनिकेशन से रिलेट होता है. तो मैंने ये पाया कि वो रिलेटेड होता है. उसमें बहुत सी चीजें ऐसी दिखी है कि जिससे ऐसा पता चला कि एटलीस्ट हम रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं इसको, अगर थोड़ा और डीपली स्टडी किया जाए तो. अब इसके ऊपर मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, एंड इवन तो मैं उसके ऊपर के पैटर्न्स भी जो है उसके कुछ सिंबल पढ़ने की कोशिश किया, तो मैंने देखा कि यार यस, इट्स रियली कनेक्टेड विद दैट. मोर और बुक्स तो नहीं, बट पिंकसार्ट जो अपना ऐप होता है ना, जो भी नए नए इंस्टाग्राम पे और आ रहे थे, उसके ऊपर बड़े पेजेस ऐसे हैं जहाँ से इंफॉर्मेशन अच्छे से मिल रहा है. ये वाला
ये बुक्स भी काफी है, गूगल पे फ्रीली अवेलेबल है. इवन मिडास लाइब्रेरी में भी मैंने पोस्ट किए काफी बुक्स.
और सबसे पहली बात बता दूं सर, तो मैं बुक्स पढ़ने में बिल्कुल इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ, तो वहां पे
अरे,
सबसे वीक पॉइंट आ
पढ़ना तो
जाता है।
पढ़ने सबसे पुअर
नहीं,
रीडर तो मैं हूँ।
Pratik ji, Pratik ji, you should be interested. Huh?
he is actually
Yes.
interested in research. So he will naturally get into it, sir. The trouble is like, he's not able to find something that interesting to read.
Right.
That is the
Yes,
trouble.
exactly, we can say.
Even when Nitin sir says the same thing, but whenever there is something which strikes his interest, he reads it. It is all
Yes,
there.
yes.
It is there in us. So
See,
that attempt is really good.
there is always ways to find answers. If, like, for example, if I don't like to read books, I will definitely hunt and find a person who has read all those material, and I will sit with the person for just 2 hours, and बस elixir लेके I will
Sir,
निकल
that's why
लूंगा.
today I am here.
हाँ, simple.
Hey, this is
Okay.
a forum for getting the things ready made.
Exactly.
Anybody
अच्छा,
else?
and just to add, प्रतीक, कि जैसे होता है ना कि जैसे तुमने एस्ट्रोलॉजी पामिस्ट्री की बात की, तो ये जो फिंगर्स है, इनके प्लैनेट्स उन्होंने फिक्स किए हैं, जो 4 फिंगर्स है, ठीक है. थंब, थोड़ा आई डोंट नो मच अबाउट थंब, बट इंडेक्स इज कनेक्टेड विद जुपिटर, मिडिल इज कनेक्टेड विद सैटर्न, रिंग फिंगर इज कनेक्टेड विद सन, एंड सन इज द सोर्स ऑफ लाइफ. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई हमारे इमोशंस और एक्सप्रेशंस यहाँ पर है, ठीक है. Because as a humans, the expression and emotions are the source of life, and sun is also connected with various other aspects. Like ना, आपका अगर if you visit astrology, you will find many dimensions of or attributes of it. And little finger, they have connected with Mercury and Venus. Okay, so this finger is, they have assigned for communication, as a pure communication zone. Right,
Interpretation, we can say.
this is source of life. Okay, मीन्स भाई आप जिंदा हो तो कुछ तो हरकत करोगे ना, कुछ तो दिखाओगे दुनिया को, ठीक है. So that way it goes, and definitely we can connect all the things, all these sciences, numerology, astrology, palmistry actually are interlinked. Okay,
Yes.
बट प्रॉब्लम कहाँ होता है कि फिर जब एकदम कॉन्ट्रास्ट व्यूज या कॉन्ट्रास्ट हमको ये देखने मिलते हैं, जहाँ पे हम कंफ्यूजन में चले जाते हैं, वहाँ पे दिक्कत है. बट अगर आप बेसिक्स में जाओगे तो बेसिक्स टॉक्स, बेसिक्स में कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है, और हमको बेसिक्स ही पकड़ना है, बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे हमको आना है फिंगरप्रिंट्स पे. वी आर नॉट गोइंग, रिपोर्ट में हम कुछ न्यूमरोलॉजी का नहीं मेंशन करने वाले, एस्ट्रोलॉजी का नहीं मेंशन करने वाले. तो हमारा एंड गोल है कि वी विल बी टॉकिंग मोर अबाउट फिंगरप्रिंट्स.
Exactly.
तो सबसे बड़ा जो क्वेश्चन है ना
Going
इसमें,
beyond that, Indian approach has connected with the patterns also with elements. Like
yes,
loops
Yes.
are connected with water, worlds are connected with air, and simple arcs are connected with earth, and
Earth.
tented arc are connected with fire.
Fire.
And then
And
every
earth.
finger is also connected with an element.
एक्चुअली सर मैंने ये रेमेडी देना स्टार्ट किया था बीच में अभी,
Hmm.
कि अगर नेचुरलिस्ट उनका ज्यादा आता है तो उनको वाटर लेवल इंक्रीज करना जरूरी होता है, और
Hmm.
मैंने देखा कि उनका वाटर लेवल हमेशा डाउन होता है, वो पीते ही नहीं पानी. तो उनको मैंने डिफरेंस देखा, अगर ज्यादा पानी पीते हैं ना तो पक्का उनका नेचुरलिस्ट रिलीज होने में उनको बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प हो रही है, और उनका जो
Right.
डाइजेशन प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा करके होता है नेचुरलिस्ट रिलीज नहीं होने की वजह से, वो बड़ा खासा रिलीज हो रहा है. तो मैंने कैसे ज्यादा देखे इस चीज में, इसके लिए नियरली, क्योंकि मेरे पास थ्रॉट प्रॉब्लम एंड हेडेक, ये 2 प्रॉब्लम की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा रिलीज हुआ है, जिसके ऊपर इंट्रा के ऊपर और एफएमएस के ऊपर काम, सॉरी इंट्रा एंड लिंग्विस्टिक के ऊपर काम कर लो तो सुबह रिजल्ट आ रहे हैं उस चीज में.
And at many places I have found that जहाँ पर हम stuck up हो जाते हैं when it comes to fingerprint, due to lack of knowledge, lack of resources, whatever you say. Beyond that, then astrology helps you, because astrology is again a beautiful piece of art which helps you to connect the dots, wherein like ना predictions हो या जो भी, जो astrology में बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से हो सकते हैं as compared to fingerprint. पहली बात तो हमको ज्ञान नहीं है, or astrology is much easier to learn than fingerprints, because of the resources available in astrology are much immense.
Astrology,
So
see what happens is, I have not studied astrology at all. Okay. Although I have some basic knowledge about it,
Right.
which is restricted to reading.
Right.
Okay. But what happens is, like when there are issues like this, I usually start with personality aspects. Okay. If in DMIT report, if we complete the personality aspects before, okay, most of the times I have, not most of, you can say almost 100% times, the personality traits which are given in the reports are a very, very compact thing. Okay. And one needs to, explain them to a good extent. So if you see there are left prefrontal mein kya hai, right prefrontal mein kya hai, all those things. Each of those aspects can be actually expanded into a thesis. When you say personality by itself has got so many aspects, right? So if we start with personality, you can win the battle halfway through. Okay. And since there are only 4 basic, although in some seminar I had heard that there are 1600 personalities, I thought ye kahan ka ye, no Google talks about 1600 types of personality. ये पता नहीं कैसे. So 4 aspects जो है, ये 4 aspects का अगर हम बहुत अच्छा अभ्यास करते हैं, तो that gives us a very good footing for beginning the counseling session. क्योंकि counseling session में I don't know, but I still require 2.5 hours in spite of and sometimes even 3 hours, because I try to make it very interactive.
सर वो
So
आपका
that-
पर्सनालिटी है ना, आपको 3 घंटा लगता है.
अरे हाँ, पता नहीं
सर
लोग
अभी
मेरे-
तक आपको ऐसा क्लाइंट एनकाउंटर नहीं हुआ है जो ऐसा जल्दी करो सर, मेरे पास 15 मिनट है, 20 मिनट में. आई हैव एनकाउंटर्ड सो मेनी पीपल ना, दे आर सो इरिटेटिंग एट टाइम्स.
मैंने
पैसा भी देते बोलते हमको 20 मिनट में फ्री करो.
नहीं सर, जब मैं अपॉइंटमेंट देता हूँ तब उनको बोल देता हूँ मुझे 2 घंटे से कम नहीं लगने वाला.
हाँ वो ठीक है.
At least see, when we are working as interpreters of the report, okay, so we must have something in our hand ना. हर चीज क्लाइंट की सुनेंगे तो then it won't be justice to the client's thing.
यहाँ
No,
पे सर
no,
मैं आपको
वो तो
बताना
है.
चाहता हूँ कि जो सर ने पर्सनालिटी की बात की 4, हम
हम्म,
उसको कितने भी अगर अच्छे से बता दे तो वो सामने वाला इतने जल्दी कन्विंस नहीं होता है, मैंने जितना देखा. क्योंकि अगर हम उसको बताते हैं कि वो सपोज उसके वर्ल्ड पिकॉक लगे हैं और हम उसको बताते हैं कि ये ईगल है, ठीक है, तो वो बोलता है यार मेरे पास ईगल है, ठीक है, बट मेरे पास इतना ईगल नहीं है, आई एम समवॉट रिलेटेड विद पिकॉक, बट उस रिपोर्ट में लिख के आता है कि यार वो तो ईगल है. तो यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं मैंने देखा कि ज्यादा फाइट होती है. तो ये भी फिंगरप्रिंट के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. और वो जो 80-20% चलाते हैं अभी कि 2 पर्सनालिटी होती है, प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी, तो मेरे हिसाब से प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी के ऊपर न जाते हुए फिंगरप्रिंट पैटर्न देख लो, उसमें पिकॉक है तो 20% पिकॉक ऐड कर दो अपने खुद के काउंसलिंग में. तो वो रिपोर्ट जो एक्सप्लेन करते हैं ना, उसके अंदर और भी क्वालिटी बढ़ जाती है आपकी, और फिर जो सामने वाला क्लाइंट है वो 100% आपके साथ परफेक्शन के साथ मैच हो जाएगा. ये जस्ट 20% ईगल, 50% आउल एंड 30% जो बचा है एक वो, तो ऐसा
देखो
कुछ
यार,
कॉम्बिनेशन बना
रिपोर्ट जब तक रिपोर्ट को डिफेंड करते रहेंगे ना, वो तो भैया फिर मतलब
ना,
बहुत बड़ी
ना.
पनौती है ये रिपोर्ट.
Shall-
DMIT रिपोर्ट इज अ वेरी
shall I
difficult thing
share
to
an
defend.
experience? No,
Yes.
just because you people were talking about eagle, dove, and all. I have a student. Okay, I will not give the name because there are people who know that person. This person had called me, like at night he had called me that you ma'am, me being an eagle, I tried to change a dove. I tried to change him to eagle, and now he has threatened that he'll kill himself. Think about it. Night you are getting a call. Okay, actually speaking, to be very frank, with my experience, I have never experienced this eagle, dove, and all those things, because those are things which we are trying to relate it with the client so that we have a base to explain it. We need something to hold on so that we can talk about it. So this was my experience. I have never got into that kind of area because it has always created a lot of controversies. So my primary focus was always with the fingerprint, the qualities, and the whatever they talk to you, whatever they communicate with you. it was always fun, and it was always like, you get more information, and you're able to connect it with the innate, which is more than psychology. So if you literally, is there anybody else who has done their research like this, like what Prateek has done? It was excellent, Prateek.
Thank you. And मैम अगेन when I thought कि जब हम ये करते हैं ना 2 फिंगर से थंब से, तो मुझे लगता है इसी जगह हम अपना अफेक्टिव लर्नर जो होता है,
हाँ,
सॉरी वी कैन से एक्वायरिंग स्टाइल,
हाँ,
एक्वायरिंग स्टाइल से उनको एक्सप्लेन कर दो, दैट इज मोर कंफर्टेबल मोर देन जस्ट दैट 2 फिंगर्स.
exactly, exactly,
So
exactly.
that is 100%
That is one
touchable,
big
we can say.
area. Yes.
Yes.
To start.
I could be wrong. You can please correct me. What I do is, I relate the thumb's fingerprint
Hmm.
with the percentage, basically.
Okay.
Okay. So if the person is say eagle personality, okay, with very strong intra, okay,
Hmm.
then that makes him a perfect eagle. Okay.
Hmm.
A very strong intra or a very, or we can fix it on the basis of the percentage in prefrontal.
Hmm.
Okay. Because I never came across a case where they didn't agree on this.
Hmm.
Okay. So when Pratik ji says 80-20, maybe indirectly I am referring to that, but I base it more on the this percentage of the prefrontal.
Acha, Kishore sir, I have a counter question to you.
Yeah. I
How
thought
do
would
you
be
correlate that reach count in this thumb is directly connected only with prefrontal?
What else is the way?
No. Is there any evidence, proof? Because that is the point where we have been hit by psychiatrists, psychologists, and doctor community. We have not been able to provide proof of it.
See,
So-
the proof,
actually there is no proof of it.
there is no proof of it. Yes.
So I मतलब अगर मैं मेरी बात करूँ तो I actually have dropped the word brain long back in my discussions and everything. अभी रिपोर्ट से भी मैं सब उड़ा रहा हूँ, अभी जो धीरे धीरे मैं हटा ही रहा हूँ सारी चीजें, because let's not give them a space to catch our weak points. क्योंकि as soon as you talk about brain, then you have to provide evidences. Baba, show how it is connected. Because and there are
Right.
no, and we don't have enough resources or fundings to carry out vast experiments and research. We can connect and prove it. So,
Right.
so I preferred the safe way, which the palmistry has always taken since 1,000 years, just talking about the personality, behavior, and much more beyond like life purpose. Okay.
See, the only big difference is that in palmistry, the lines keep on changing throughout the life.
That is,
can I just
we are focusing only on fingertips, no? We are not talking about the other lines.
exactly, can I just barge in? Can I just barge in for 2 minutes? Okay, the first thing we should understand, brain is just another part of our body. It was never given too much of importance in any of the Indian texts. Whatever was given importance was to the energy channels, the chakras and everything which are explained, and why it is like that, because that was something which was connecting the entire human being to function appropriately. And how you can handle it, okay, how can you literally get to know what you are and where you stand is a different, there is something called a Sharanul Shastram, which is typically based on how to handle these kind of things. So for modern science, brain became the most important part. For us, it was never the most important part. Second, we were always looking forward to something which was more, something which was not just objective in nature, something which was beyond that. We have already experienced, we have already learned, many things in our text that, it is beyond what you can simply explain and touch, feel and show things. Okay. So when it comes to fingerprints, this is the best area, the interesting area is like fingerprints actually gives you a whole lot of information. The story, if you literally look back into the story, you people might have heard about Kalaripayattu, right? How many of you have heard Kalaripayattu? If there were a few films based on Bodhidharman, there was a film of Tiger Shroff where Kalaripayattu was used.
True.
Remember?
The name of
There was a movie like that. I was actually shocked, like, oh my God, people have started making movie also. Okay. Now to be, it is the basic, very traditional way of, I don't know how to put it exactly. Like Kalaripayattu is actually called the Deva Vidya, which was presented by two people. We have one was Parashuraman, the other was Agastya Maharshi. Okay. History goes like that. So Agastya Maharshi started off with Adidade, which means like protecting yourself from the enemies. From there, it moved into the modern Kalaripayattu of the south region of India. And to the north region, it was actually taken forward by Parashuraman himself. It was kind of a form wherein you are trained to be a warrior. You are trained to be an excellent Vaidya, because Kalaripayattu is a separate form of Marma Chikitsa, wherein they actually release the acupressure points and all those areas of your body, so that you become flexible enough to fight. Okay. It again went into teaching mode, where we have something called a Kalari. Kalari is where these things are taught. So again, to become a teacher also, you need to go all these things. So Deva Vidya, from which, if you literally get into Dhanarvedam and read into it, okay, not the translation, but if you literally get a Sanskrit, Sanskrit text, and if you are able to decode it, you get a lot of areas wherein they talk about bow, arrows and all. Okay, bow and arrow is considered to be Brahminical, where on the other hand, what do you call a Gada? Gada is called Gada, right?
Gada.
Right. That is considered to be Shudra in property. Okay. So there was a lot of things, like, lot of, literally, if you sit and read, then whether you will be shocked. You will literally be shocked. My God, there is so much of information. But from there, the selection process of Deva Tirtha Shastra was kept a little, part. For the simple reason, it should not be misused. It should not be misused, and it was regularly used. And if you literally go concentrate on those areas where the fights were happening at that time, war was happening, and those training centers associated with it, they have a different form of selecting people, taking forward, and how you have to prove yourself, that prove to your guru that you are capable of learning it. And then only he will do your test, and he will tell you, like, okay, you take this thing and then start working on it. Even for Chikitsa or Marma Chikitsa, to be a Vaidya, you have to know whether you're capable of it. Thus, the Deva Tirtha Shastra was there, and the story goes like this, wherein Parvati, like everywhere we have this beautiful couple. Parvati asked Shiva, like, how can someone, we all take birth, rebirth and whatnot happens, and by the time you're out of your mother's womb, you literally forget whatever you have done, and for a few more months you might have some kind of thoughts or some kind of memory that also fades away. Now, how can someone literally stay back and do things for that particular lifetime, so that there is either no rebirth, or if they have a rebirth, they come with a bigger, sapna, a bigger goal to live. Either something should happen, otherwise it's like we all are born, we all do certain things. We ask, okay, I am happy, content, but if you ask a little more deeper, I am not that happy, content. A little more deeper, you get all those details. A little more deeper, you really lost. You don't know what to do, and you're so confused. But no one on earth knows about it. So as Devi was asking all these things, then Bhagavan told, like, see, you have seen this thumb. Okay. Now this thumb science became very famous.
Nadi Shastra.
Nadi Shastra, Shiva Nadi, Briga Nadi, and even Ravana was excellent in this. So Nadi Shastram was taken forward, and it came out because it was used more into the astrological level to understand. So whatever life, birth, and everything detail is there, it is there in your thumb. Then he said, rest of the 9 fingers are there. Okay. It is for the person to know, read, and understand so that you live this life. You understand why you are born, what you are supposed to do, and live your life. So there is always, if you literally get into Vedantam says everything is connected, universally connected. There is one creator with whom you should get connected. Okay. On the other hand, we have the, other Astika schools which says, yourself is different from another self. It focuses on Dvaida Siddhantam, where every human being is different. So there is nothing called Maya. Everything is reality for you. Okay. So these kind of things which actually came out, and it is actually helping you to identify, understand why you are born, what you should do, and what you have to live in this world. It is not live in this world, it is live in this world. You go, that is fine. Everybody is happy. You want to live, you live. But when you live with that thing which you're supposed to do, and you do it and live.
In short, your syllabus is encrypted in your fingerprints.
Exactly.
Syllabus of life.
See, like the things go on opening up as you grow. Okay.
Exactly.
It's like being pre-programmed.
It is definitely. We all come with a blueprint which is there in all the 10 fingers in this 1 inch space. Where, think about it, we have one big history of a human being.
See, if we see the very early references, Garuda Purana has given some 152 types of fingerprints.
I did check out for Garuda Puranam. Okay, I did check out, but I have not got anything like what people have claimed. Maybe it's my this thing. Maybe because the books I referred does not have it. Like if you literally get into the details of Mahabharatam and Ramayanam and all, or Vasishtan's Dhanurveda Samhita, you will not get much details about the fingerprints.
Hey, Garuda Purana is said to be the prime, you can say the original text which mentions about fingerprints.
So can you just check it out and give me the chapters?
Sure. I will definitely.
Huh? Because I didn't find any. Find any.
Right. See,
okay.
even in Purana, there is a mention, okay, where their God says, I can create and recreate a person with the same fingerprints. Okay.
Cloning, right.
Yeah. So
we were experts.
Third, Allah says that I am the supreme, I can recreate it with the same fingerprints. Now, when they talk about same fingerprints, it means the neuronic activity, right? The entire formation of this.
Sir, tell me.
Yeah. Does it not mean that it also includes that what starts in the neocortex from the 10th week to...
Absolutely nothing to do with what is happening inside your head. To be very frank, yes, you use certain things of your brain, but the same way your body has certain memory.
Yes, that is
Your
true.
body is so intelligent that it know how to carry forward. That is the reason if you literally take the cycle of a person who gets sexually into intimacy in certain period of time, they start having the craving, which is not triggered by the brain but is triggered by the body itself.
Yes, yes, that is
So,
true.
when you
I-
literally take a fingerprint, connecting it with only the brain aspect limits it. But on the other hand, if you literally take it, learn it in such a way that you understand how to get connected with the nature itself. Whether you call it God, you call it, something else, you call it time, you call it nature, you call it your own self. The way Carl Jung proposed, like, self. Roger said, the ideal self and the real self. Okay, whether you call it the self, even there you get connected, it is much, much more than any kind of activity happening.
Right. I fully agree with you in the sense that there's 90 billion neurons and hundreds of trillions of body cells.
Huh.
They are all ready to serve us
Huh.
in our entire life.
Huh.
Right? In fact, they are eager to serve us.
Yes.
Right. What happens is what you said. I really liked it. It is not only the brain that matters. Okay, the entire body matters. That's why in our scriptures, there in the Muladhara Chakra, they talk about the 14 bhuvanas, they talk about the various chakras, and then each of these chakras are nothing but the energy centers.
Yes. Your main switch and
all of them. There is one beautiful book. I don't know whether it has been translated into English. There was a doctor. This book is around 60 years old. One Mr. Shri Ma Vaidya was an author of this book, and it gives a very wonderful information about how each of the center mentioned in the scriptures is related to the modern science, including chakra mein jo ye rehte na, the number of petals and all that. Okay. So Muladhara will have so much, the Swadhisthana will have so much, all these things. Right?
Just to
So, yeah. So Pindika Brahmandi is what you are indirectly referring to. That's what I felt.
And just to add, it is like it is a stupid situation, I believe, which I have been experiencing. So it is something like 5G technology is being forced and are demanded to fit in 2G technology and prove itself.
Exactly.
Like we are so much running after connecting and establishing connection with brain. We are forgetting that there are so many dimensions which have been already discovered by the ancestors and which have been mentioned in scriptures, which goes much beyond your just skill sets. And they have never talked about brain or brain lobes, to be honest. You pick up any book of palmistry or any book of fingerprints, they are least interested in talking about brain or so where the hell
part of the body.
So from where the hell we are getting into this mess of connecting the brain? That is my open and blunt question.
Appa, I'll tell you what happens. Because we have been taught that brain is the biggest and the sharpest part of your body. Okay, and this has literally led to the controversy of nature and nurture. Like, whether you are born with certain nature or you're nurtured like to be what you are. And this connection is something which they could never decode. This is some connection they could never explain also. So that is one big trouble why psychology literally lacks. Like, you cannot provide evidence that this is there in the nature or it has been nurtured.
And actually, to be honest, the Westerners are very much open. I find stupidity with Indians because they believe कि proof karo bhai, what is science? They don't know the meaning of science actually. Science is always in pursuit of exploration. If you go in West, they have very open mind. They will think on every aspect with open mind. But in India, भाई जब तक पेपर में छपेगा नहीं लिखा हुआ नहीं, we will not believe it. This
हाँ.
is
And you
stupidity.
should have PhD also in hand. Otherwise, you are not,
This is stupidity, and I don't feel that they should call themselves a student of science, because science itself always claims to discover things. And what is discovery? Discovery means which already existed, is known to us later. That doesn't mean that science has invented something which didn't existed in this universe earlier. Science is always discovering things, discovering various laws, various phenomena, and various aspects of nature. So it might be that the modern science may discover many things in coming years, but Indians are very much obsessed with this nothing proof. So I believe that's why that is the main challenge there.
Okay. Now, again, when it comes to psychology and the fingerprints area, let's compare modern psychology with Indian psychology. Modern psychology has always followed the Charvagan principle. Okay, they never believed in the fifth principle of either. They've always said what you can see, touch, taste, smell, and all those kind of things which you can prove can be taken. Okay. Now, yes, it is behavior is like that. Your behavior is something which you can see. Behavior is something which another person can understand, and other person can perceive, or other person can judge on you, analyze you. So behavior was always taken, and connection with behavior and brain, this was given more importance. Later, when they did a little bit of studying, they did try to connect the cognition, which is called your manas. Okay, manas, wherein you think, you reason, you solve the problem, your creativity lies, everything lies over there. So cognition was considered. Now, till manas I can go. Then I started working and I started understanding personality. Okay, those people who think this way, who act this way, belongs to certain personality. And there are many theories which literally gets into details of what happens if a person does not achieve certain milestones. What we have been told, like every child is born with certain milestones and they have to complete the milestone, like sitting, crawling, walking, yeah, all those things. Okay, the same way human beings are supposed to take certain milestones. So within the first year, they learn trust and mistrust. Okay, this is Erik Erikson's theory of, I think, psychosocial. Okay, we'll just check into it. I've literally started forgetting that part because I'm getting too much involved in this. So here he is saying within 1 year, the baby learns whether this world can be trusted or not. Then after that, he learns whether I will be having shame and guilt, or whether I will become a little more independent kind. Then again, I have another set of issues. Then I have another set of issues, wherein by the age of 45, 45 to 60, you either become stagnant, stuck in your life, or you become generalized and you're open to the society, you're open to more socialized life. You understand there is a better meaning for your life. Okay, these are the generalizations they have given, and again they have tried to connect it with the brain and how the brain works and how things are. But fortunately, when it comes to too much of personality analysis, no one literally tells you how your brain functions. That is one good thing. We should actually be happy with that. Then again they went into intelligence. When they started intelligence, they started talking about the skills. You're good in running, kinesthetic is good. I'm not good in running. Okay. Whenever in school we used to have that 100, 200 kilometers, I used to fail miserably. I would be the last one. But whenever there was 1,000 meters and a little more lengthier ones, I would win. My stamina was good. But so there are certain things which keeps explaining, okay, this part of you is not functioning good. This part is functioning good. And I am a dancer, I can dance. Then that explains certain other things. So these were areas where they literally use these skills to tell you, see, this is how your brain is. This is how your brain functions. Now they came out with some other study. Okay, all these things, if you literally look into the Indian psychological part, they just talk about the Pancha Karmendriya, Pancha Jnanendriya and Manas. It is just that. It is just there. But beyond that, they try to talk about, metacognition. Why you actually learn this? What triggers this kind of learning? Again, they ended up with, they will not go beyond learning. Okay. Because they don't know how to take it forward in the first place. Second place, they don't know how to acknowledge the science which they are actually dealing with. So this is still there. But when you literally take Indian psychology has never got stuck with any of your, Panchajnana, your sensory experiences, your cognitive experiences, nothing like that. You have those experiences, fine. You connect certain emotions, that is fine. It is all there, but that is not the ultimate.
And
Oh,
wish
you
to
are-
add something here, Jasna ma'am.
Sure, sir.
See, I think Kishore sir were talking about personality, na, ki like 4 hai, 16 hai, 1600 hai, something. Okay. And when we see the approach of Indians in when it comes to psychology, किशोर सर जैसे आपने रेफरेंस दिया गरुड़ पुराणास और वेरियस पुराणास, just for example pick up the epic tales like Mahabharata. No character is similar to other character. Means what they are trying to portray is so thousands of personalities. Okay.
Right.
Means you take name of any character from Mahabharata, वो immediately आपका उसका behavior ध्यान में आएगा आपको. ठीक है. जैसे दुष्ट द्युम्न का बात करेंगे या फिर not only पांडवास, you take name of anybody.
Jayadrathan, you take
जयद्रथ,
anybody.
तो आपको
Hirali.
दिखेगा कि कोई भी दो पर्सनैलिटीज मर्जिंग नहीं है, एक जैसा बिहेव नहीं कर रहे. सो if you see the approach of Indians, not only Mahabharata, you come to various other folk tales or stories. Even you Sihasan Battisi hai, Vikramaditya stories hai, and many even Garud Purana is full of stories. So all the stories are different from other, and every story has certain interesting character, wherein we always remember that character by their behavior and personality. Try
Very
to get the context which I am trying to convey. So Indian approach was never fixing personality into like 4, 10, 16, 100, 200. They always knew
You
that.
have to see, at some point one has to crystallize, na?
Right. Crystallization is again a Western approach, sir.
Why should we crystallize, sir?
Pardon me?
Why should we crystallize in the first place?
Otherwise your counseling will never get over.
It will, sir, it will.
It
Sir,
will never
अच्छा,
get
आपको
over.
तो मजा आएगा सर,
Because
आपको
you
मजा
see,
आएगा.
Sir,
See,
actually
every day.
speaking,
every day you are changing, madam.
No, sir. Sir, you have come with certain blueprint, right?
No. But the prints go on opening, na? They are not stagnant.
Okay.
Your energy is-
I understand your question. Okay. They are not stagnant. Very true. Okay. That they are not stagnant, and that is the only reason why we have Valmiki.
Why we have?
Valmiki.
Yeah.
Valmiki Maharshi. Otherwise, will we ever have a person like him?
Right.
Malchendranath. These are people like, if you literally get into their life, you will understand what exactly the change is happening. There are just two changes that can literally happen. Either getting into contained, in harmony with your own self, or getting stuck with all the other tamasic things.
Pravrutti and nivrutti.
Everything,
Sir,
it goes in a balance.
एक और simple just मेरे दिमाग में strike हुआ, like let's assume कि why they have distinguished these 5 elements because of their behavior, but let's assume कि vayu element, air element. But if you see behavior of nitrogen is different than behavior of oxygen is different than behavior of other gases, then that does mean कि we should fix up ना behavior of everything कि air element है तो ऐसा ही करेगा. नहीं, you should get into the context. As the स्वरूप बदलेगा तो behavior change होगा. बट एलिमेंट तो उसका एयर फिक्स्ड है, मींस द बेस लाइन इज फिक्स्ड कि इट इज अ गैस, इट इज अ एयर एलिमेंट.
In astrology, we talked up some time back.
Hmm.
In astrology also what happens is at any given time,
Hmm.
okay,
Hmm.
now it's 7:12, okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
at 7:12
Hmm.
Nitin sir
Hmm.
is undergoing the impact of those planets,
Hmm.
okay, in a certain way,
Hmm.
okay. Just a few minutes ahead of this, it will have a slightly different impact,
Hmm.
okay. So the permutations and combinations which happen
Hmm.
because of the planetary movements and their impacts on us at any given time, 266 yogas are affecting us. That's of course if we believe into it,
Hmm.
because you may find some WhatsApp messages that the Mangal Mars is 256 crores of kilometers away from here, and the only function it has got is to break your marriages. Okay.
But Mars existed before the evolution of humans also. That's
I
sheer stupidity.
एक मजाक के लिए बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ,
I relate Mars with our intra.
Hmm.
I relate logic with our guru.
Right.
I relate the arts with naturalistic this thing like 2D understanding, and the of course connected with fine motor skills too. So ये क्या है ना कि like there are so many permutations and combinations even there, okay. Here also you have the one brain, okay, 10 aspects.
Hmm.
And what's available more is used more. That is the only advantage we DMITians have.
नहीं, इसको थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करके बताता हूँ एक सिंपल एग्जांपल से. लाइक एज्यूम कि हमारे फोरम में 50 मेंबर्स है सर, ठीक है.
हाँ.
एंड सबको बोला गया है खिचड़ी बनाना या पुलाव बनाना, और सबको इक्विवेलेंट मसाले, क्वांटिटी, राइस, सब सेम, सब्जी सब सेम दी है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
बट हर बंदे का जब बनाएगा ना बंदा या बंदी, तो उसका टेस्ट अलग रहेगा.
श्योर.
तो वहां पे उसका टच आ गया. एंड दिस इज द ओनली, हमारा इतना ही काम है कि उसका फ्लेवर, उस पर्सनैलिटी का टेस्ट क्या है वो उसको कन्वे कर दिया, हमारा काम खत्म. बिकॉज ये ज्ञान तो इतना अनंत है कि हम पगला जाएंगे, हमको 1000 जन्म भी लेना पड़ेगा. तो वो हम ये नहीं बता सकते कि ये फ्लेवर क्यों आया, हम सिर्फ बता सकते ये फ्लेवर ऐसा है, ठीक है.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट.
तो हमको भी अपने लिमिटेशंस पता होने चाहिए. तो सेम मतलब आप आपने जो बोला, ये सारे फेजेस से मैं गुजरा, और एक टाइम पे ऐसा मेरे को लगा कि यार हम अननेसेसरी का एफर्ट कर रहे हैं चीजों को प्रूव करने में. भाई कोई जरूरत नहीं है. सामने वाले का पर्पस क्या है टेस्ट कराने का, उसके आसपास रिवॉल्व करो. हो सकता है वो 2 मिनट में उसको क्लिक हो जाए, या हो सकता है 4 घंटे में क्लिक होए. तो देन आई स्टार्टेड डीकंट्रोलिंग द थिंग्स, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ठीक है. और जब मैंने वो देखा तो मुझे ज्यादा लर्निंग मिला. आई स्टार्टेड डिस्कवरिंग मेनी थिंग्स. एवरी क्लाइंट इज डिफरेंट, एवरी क्लाइंट हैज सम एजेंडाज और ना डिफरेंट पर्पस. सो लेट देम ड्राइव द राइड. हमको बस राइड लेना है, उनको ड्राइवर सीट पे ही बैठाना काउंसलर का काम है एंड ऑफ द डे. तो बस हम उनको फ्लेवर बता दें. हाँ,
ये फ्लेवर क्यों आया ये भी हम बता रहे हैं. जब हम बात करते हैं मदर थॉट प्रोसेस की,
हाँ,
मदर ने ऐसा कुछ किया होगा बोल के ऐसा आया है. तो अभी तो फ्लेवर भी हम निकाल रहे DMITians,
हाँ,
उससे आगे जा रहे हैं.
हाँ, निकाल रहे. फिर अब कई जगह पे है ना कि फ्लेवर बड़ा कड़वा आता है बिकॉज मदर वाज इन डिस्ट्रेस. अब फिर वो फ्लेवर क्यों आया, उसका तो हम जवाब नहीं दे सकते कि ऐसा क्या हो गया मदर के साथ, कि भाई ऐसा क्या पंगा था, ऐसा क्या सिचुएशंस थे कि ना ऐसे नेगेटिव ना ट्रेड्स भी भर गए इंसान के अंदर.
अभी तो दे रहे हैं ना, अभी तो
हाँ.
उनसे अगर हम पूछ ले.
And actually fingerprints gives you the information. Okay, this taste can also be put into productive thing.
Right. और एक चीज किशोर सर, इवन प्रतीक एंड एवरीबॉडी, आई वुड लाइक शेयर. एक चीज मैंने अपने लाइफ में रियलाइज की है ना, कि मैं जब तक दुनिया बदलने का ना ये सोचता था ना, तब तक मैं कुछ नहीं बदल पाया एक्चुअली, ठीक है.
Absolutely.
और ऐसा भी नहीं कि मेरे को खुद को बदलने का भी नहीं सोचता. मैं सोचता हूँ यार ये फिजूल का झंझट है. हम लोग प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, कुछ स्टैब्लिश करना चाहते हैं. हम कौन होते किसी चीज, अच्छा जो चीज ऑलरेडी प्रूवन है उसको प्रूव करना सबसे बड़ी बेवकूफी है पहली बात तो। लाइक अगर साइंस ने 9 प्लैनेट्स के बियॉन्ड के गैलेक्सीज नहीं देखे होते तो इसका मतलब क्या एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है क्या? वो करती
Yeah,
थी,
that
हमने
is why,
लेट देखा उसको,
that's why
ठीक है।
many times astrologers go wrong, ना?
हाँ, तो मैंने वो जिद छोड़ दी कि भाई मेरे को ना ये राक्षस प्रवृत्ति है एक्चुअली। अगर आप पुराण्स को पढ़ो ना, द राक्षस वर ऑलवेज देयर टू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। और जो देव क्या बोलते हैं ना, राक्षस गण और देवगण, ये जो दो डिस्टिंग्विशन किए गए हैं उसमें देवगण आर लीस्ट बॉदर टू चेंज द वर्ल्ड एंड ऑलवेज लाइक ना, रावण ऑलवेज कम्स टू टेक द चार्ज एंड कंट्रोल, एंड वो बोलता है मैं दुनिया बदल दूंगा, दुनिया हिला दूंगा। ये दुनिया हिलाने वाला सिस्टम ना हमको छोड़ना पड़ेगा, दुनिया कुछ नहीं हिलती भाई तुमसे। तो ये जब आप गिव अप करोगे ना तो आप बहुत पीसफुली एंजॉय करोगे जर्नी को, और आपको शायद ज्यादा स्पेस क्रिएट होगी नॉलेज आने के लिए। ये बदलने के चक्कर में 80% एनर्जी तो वहां लगी, फोकस वहां लगा है।
Exactly.
कुछ मत बदलो यार, जो जैसा चल रहा है सही है, हमारा काम है जो फ्लो के साथ चलते रहो।
And the best part, like, you know, the moment you understand this is how you are, this is what your blueprint is, you choose to go in a different direction.
True.
So Indian psychology has always given you that kind of
Freedom.
And that kind of a freedom where you choose like, you know, okay, let me work towards sattvic. I want to be sattvic. Now think about it. We were, when we initially started off with fingerprints, when we were discussing about personality and all, did we actually know that beyond personality a human being cannot know himself unless and until you have a guru? Every time people say you need to have a guru, you need to have a guru, and we keep on thinking, why to have a guru? Because I know myself. Beyond your personality, you cannot assess your own intellect. You cannot understand which direction you can take so that you can change the whole flow of life. So even when, like, you know, when astrologers say you are in the worst area of life, you are able to understand, okay, this is a flow of life, wherein using that opportunity, I can change it into a different direction altogether. It is there in me.
अच्छा, one more thing, जो मैं ना, initially I faced a lot of people used to test my patience a lot. अब जैसे किशोर सर को ना 2 घंटा जब तक काउंसलिंग करे मजा नहीं आता है ना, मेरा एग्जैक्टली रिवर्स है। मतलब अभी मैं जितना भी बोल रहा हूँ किशोर सर, इट इज 1000 टाइम्स मोर देन माय नॉर्मल पर्सनैलिटी। मैं पहले बहुत सिलेक्टिव स्पीकर था, मुझे ऐसा लगता नहीं था कि जब तक जरूरत है सामने बात करने की, आई डिडंट यूज्ड टू स्पीक। तो मैं सोचता था क्लाइंट पागल है, बावला है करके, इसको मैं इतनी बार समझा चुका हूँ, इसके भेजे में बात क्यों नहीं जा रही है, ठीक है। और लिटरली देन I started giving up counselings. I used to transfer the counseling to other people. मैंने कहा भाई मेरे को मजा नहीं आता 1 घंटा इसका सर चबा के, मैं इरिटेट होता हूँ, फ्रस्ट्रेट होता हूँ, और मैं फ्रस्ट्रेशन में कई बार ना इनडायरेक्टली कुछ बोल देता था क्लाइंट को, उसको कभी कभी हर्ट भी हो जाता था, ठीक है। तो देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि भाई मे बी I'm not made to go beyond certain limits. So better कि there are more talented counselors and better people than me. So better let them handle those things. Okay. So this is how मतलब when I started realizing कि भाई this is not my cup of tea. So that's fine. हाँ, जो बंदे आधे घंटे में पिकअप कर लेते हैं चीज, उनको लगता है मेरे से बढ़िया काउंसलर कोई नहीं है ना। वो मेरी बड़ी तारीफ करते करते नहीं थके, सर मजा आ गया। अच्छा, I've met such people also जिनका काउंसलिंग 15 मिनट्स में खत्म हो गया, and because they were more fast than me. उनको बोलो बस सर मुद्दे की बात करो, हमको सब पता है, बाकी हमारे जो प्रश्न के जवाब दे दो, जवाब उनको मिल गया, दे लिटरली खड़े हो गए, पैसा गिन दिया, चले भी गए। तो that was also learning for me. और कुछ लोगों के साथ मेरा 6-6 घंटा काउंसलिंग चला, तो मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया था, ठीक है। So that is how I learned कि बाबा I'm not fit for this and I'm not fit for that. So what I'm good into, I should focus on to that. And if you like, अगर आप जैसना मैम के साथ बैठे हो ना काउंसलिंग में, पूरा दिन भी दे सकती है, लेकिन मेरे को फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है।
नहीं सर, मेरे इसमें क्या होता है ना
हम्म,
कि once I clear the essence ना,
हम्म,
तो बाकी लोगों के पर्टिकुलरली पेरेंट्स के सारी दुनिया भर के ये शुरू हो जाते हैं. हमारे में ऐसा है ना, the
हाँ,
child
हाँ,
remains,
हाँ.
the child goes away from the discussion.
तो सर सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज तो कपल काउंसलिंग, मेरे साथ तो कई बार पंगे हुए. 1 घंटा तो उनको समझा देता हूँ सब, बाद में उनको किसी पॉइंट पे दोनों का झगड़ा शुरू हो जाता है, ठीक है, वो एक दूसरे पे ब्लेम वेम करते हैं, वो निपटाने में 3 घंटे चले जाते हैं. तो मैंने कहा पागल लोग चाहिए ही नहीं मेरे को. मतलब ये 4,000 5,000 दे रहे और 50,000 का खून मेरा जला दे रहे. तो ये लिटरली मतलब औरंगाबाद में मेरे ऑफिस पे ही कोई वॉक इन आता है तो मैं काउंसिल करता हूँ, अदरवाइज ऑल माय काउंसलिंग्स आर ट्रांसफर्ड टू माय अदर काउंसलर्स. भाई ऑनलाइन करना है तो आई हैव बेटर ऑप्शंस, 1,000 टाइम टैलेंटेड पीपल देन मी इन काउंसलिंग. तो मैं अपना हेडेक नहीं, उसमें दिमाग का दही नहीं करता हूँ बेसिकली.
Narayana Swami.
So this is my experience which I shared. And everybody will encounter certain experiences in various areas and they should accept it and find solutions to it basically.
So now I have a question. Like, okay, we have been talking about Indian psychology, we've been talking about fingerprints. What exactly do you people feel like, we should get more of that so that we can give that one particular thing to the client than just knowing the intelligence, emotions? I think like, the worst part which happened was literally putting each fingers into tag. That is not actually good. Like, how you communicate, how you take it forward, and how these things actually function for you. It can function deeper. Okay. But how do you want it? What exactly do you want from a fingerprint? What do you want to know about it?
What is the takeaway, you say? It is difficult to reduce it to one thing.
Yeah, let's discuss it, sir. What if you get an opportunity to understand? Sir.
You cannot always say कि ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, वो भी करना है. Nothing will work out.
Okay, I have a question then. How many of you have literally understood from the fingerprint and the pattern, the ridges and all those kind of things, whether the person has dash capacity of listening? Have you ever understood that from the fingerprints? Whether this person is capable of listening or not?
We can say that emotion and expressions by comparing that and थोड़ा सा लॉजिक अगर तड़का डाल दो उसके अंदर कि उसका लॉजिक कैसा है, तो ये पहचान सकते हैं, बता सकते हैं कि वो पर्सन सुनने जैसा है या नहीं है.
Then how do you know whether the person is impulsive?
Just we can say that if emotions and expressions carries the loop generally, so he is.
Now I have a question. Okay, a person who does not have emotions.
Have you come across anyone?
Emotion expression. Oh yes, there are people who are totally born for certain other things. I do tell them, please do not get married unless and until you find some namuna like your own. Don't go for it. Because they just don't understand emotions. Then what if there is no emotion?
I had such cases. There was no emotions, and I think so. They are at the age of 38 or 39, and they are not at all ready to marry.
No, they will not get married.
And I also told them, please don't marry, just be alone. It is more sincere. And even though their naturalist was highest, so I also prefer them that go out and have that.
So it's like these are minute.
I don't think we should ask them to.
He's stuck, sir.
Although I understand that it's a biological need.
Okay, so you're talking about sexual intimacy. Sir, that is a huge thing. I think we should not be talking about it now. Okay.
We will be keeping sessions on
We will
social
have
intelligence.
sessions. We will definitely have sessions on that. So when we take small factors like, listening skill, impulsiveness, why becoming a little bit more spendthrift, why miser? Okay, spendthrift is fine. I understand. If you have peacock, there is always a tendency in you to show off. Done. Tagline. Fine. How will you understand whether this person is a miser?
Can you repeat the question?
How will you understand whether a person is a miser or not?
Is a miser. Okay.
Ah,
Thinks too much. Thinks a lot. Then definitely will not spend.
We can say
Yeah.
high logics.
I have honestly never thought of this.
Sir, actually, we should literally, maybe this is what created more interest in me, because these things were not given as information when you analyze fingerprints. Okay, you talk about emotions, but I've seen people who are so choosy with their emotions that they need a partner only to fulfill their need. And that too, when it comes to spending, they have everything, but there is absolutely nothing for the partner. These kind of things, when we literally look into the fingerprints, we are able to understand, okay, this is the maximum this person can do. Understanding the soft areas of human being is a little beyond the personality, because becoming a miser, becoming impulsive, becoming a spendthrift are all subjective things of your personality, which is because of certain reactions which are happening beyond that, a little above that, maybe in your intellect. Like what we said now, Arti, Autsukya Moha, Ratitan Jagana, Arti, all those artis coming in, it can happen. If you literally understand the fingerprint, you will understand why this person needs all these things. Okay. Then it goes beyond the 10, labels which we have given. Logic, be it emotion, be it your naturalist, be it your imagination, whatever be it, at the end of the day you are doing it. You're giving out certain things which you have taken from the environment, you have understood, and you have recreated certain things which defend you. We all interact, and to gain that basic thing helps, understanding the human psychology in a deeper way. It is more than personality, right?
Definitely.
It is more than personality. So literally, why we need to learn fingerprint? We need to understand fingerprint for the simple reason no human being on earth can understand their intelligence level and the impact of their intellect, which it can create on the personality, it can create on the cognition, it can create on the behavior of the individual. Good, le.
And just to add a contradiction here, means it is not necessary that the person with low logic cannot be analytical, because I have seen certain
Oh, yes.
cases where logic
Actually.
is average, means it is on 5th, 6th, many times even on 7th, but the people are adequately analytical.
Yes.
ऐसा हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि इनका एनालिसिस या फिर लॉजिक बहुत वीक है. So these factors are encountered, and then literally I tried to find the answers. Then somewhere minutiae gave those answers, to be honest, when we start referring the Indian scriptures, which are totally missing from Western studies, basically.
Many areas. If you literally see certain, words, they absolutely no reverse, but they are so much out of the box. It again pinpoints to the intellect of the person. Once you understand and decode it, you are able to, start your journey to attain whatever scriptures or shastra says, like, you are in the right journey to attain what you're supposed to attain. Be it mukti, be it moksha, whatever name you call it. You live a fulfilled life. And actually, when we were, we were doing the research, we give more importance to the percentage hike, like, higher percentage, higher capacity, right? And we always give a notion like, high intra people have, what do they have?
Ego.
4 people get stuck. Actually, it is actually your retention, how much you can retain things. But those areas where your retentions are low, it works a little more faster.
Cognitive.
My combinations will literally give a different picture if you go into the percentage. Now, if you we've been talking, the total ridge count should be this percentage, that percentage. That is considered to be, what are the variations that we always talk? Percentage wise. Below 100 and something, below, between 150 something.
That different reports talk in a different way on.
Different way.
So there is no rational, basically.
Exactly.
There's no rational.
Exactly.
Ajay, I will share. I have seen the fingerprints of the person who had made the scooter of that Three Idiots. जो Three Idiots में scooter दिखाया गया ना, जो climax scene में भी होता है. And that person belongs to Jalgaon, and he is uneducated person. After 4th standard he had left education. उसके नाम पे लगभग 5 या 6 patents है. ठीक है. मतलब उसने स्कूटर पे आटा चक्की भी बिल्ड कर दिए घर पे जा जाके, मतलब. But if you see his fingerprints, there is no reverse in it. ठीक है. But हाँ, उसके ring fingers पे target peacocks जरूर लगे हैं, जहाँ पे palmistry हमेशा बोलती है कि creativity lies. Okay. If you read any scriptures, any resource books of palmistry, you will see they have connected creativity with ring finger. Okay. And in DMIT we see कि 2D और 3D है रहा तो ही creative रहेगा. So sometimes we miss out these things. तो ये तो मेरे सामने प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल है कि वो बंदे के नाम पे बहुत सारे क्रिएटिव पेटेंट्स है. एंड ही वाज सो फेमस कि वो 3 इडियट वाले जो डायरेक्टर हिरानी, ही अप्रोच्ड हिम एंड ही डिडंट चार्ज एनी फीस. ही हैड ओनली वन कंडीशन कि उसका नाम आना चाहिए स्क्रीन पे. तो जब एंड के टाइटल आते हैं ना तो उसमें उसका नाम आता है. ही गेव हिज स्कूटर फॉर फ्री एंड ही यूज्ड टू विजिट औरंगाबाद इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज फॉर लेक्चर. ओके. तो इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट को वो लेक्चर देता था, सेमिनार्स देता था. ठीक है. तो आई हैव पर्सनली विजिटेड हिज वन ऑफ द सेमिनार एंड आई हैव पर्सनली सीन दैट स्कूटर जो यूज हुआ था 3 इडियट्स में. एंड ही हैड मेनी. हाँ, उसका DMIT रिपोर्ट भी किया है अपन ने. ठीक है.
बट जब हम DMIT की बात करते हैं तो मैं आपको क्रिएटिव की बात बता रहा था. हम CQ तो वैसे ही निकालते हैं, इमोशन को तो कंसीडर करते ही है उसमें.
हाँ, कंसीडर करते, बट हम कई बार ना मिस आउट भी कर जाते हैं, हमसे म्यूजिकल में घुस जाते हैं उसके. ठीक है. हम बस अगर L4 पे हाई रहा रिच काउंट तो हम बोलते हैं इमोशनल है और सेंसिटिव है और इमोशनल है, व्हाटएवर. बट क्रिएटिव एलिमेंट समहाउ आपका सन से कनेक्टेड है, ये बार बार सारी जगह पे मेंशन होता है. मींस दिस फिंगर, इवन इफ यू रीड द बुक ऑफ रिचर्ड अंगर, he connects creativity and innovation with these 2 fingers, right? Means R4 is creativity and L4 is innovation for it. Okay. So this is how you need to evolve your knowledge, because किसी बंदे ने ठीक है कुछ किक स्टार्ट किया था, उसने एक अपना बेसिक थ्योरी दिया, माल बेच दिया, फिर वो निकल गया करोड़ रुपए बना के सॉफ्टवेयर में. बट उसके बियॉन्ड भी तो बहुत सारी चीजें है. ही ऑल्सो रेफर टू पामिस्ट्री रिसोर्सेज, बिकॉज उसके बिना वो फिंगर को कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाता था इंटेलिजेंस के साथ. Because nowhere in dermatoglyphics you find references कि this finger is for this intelligence and this finger is for this intelligence. So he has definitely studied palmistry and picked things from it, and he has picked rich count from dermatoglyphics, and this is how he made a fusion of it. And फिर अपने हार्वर्ड गार्डनर जी का थ्योरी भी कॉपी कर लिया, ठीक है, बिकॉज सारा जिक्सॉ पजल फिक्स हो रहा था. So he was definitely a smart person, and he seized the opportunity, like he grabbed the opportunity with both the hands. And this is how, but now here onwards we need to, it's our responsibility कि जो इतनी सारी चीजें we had 5G technology, so why should we settle for 2G? We should talk more beyond MI, because MI gives a very limited purview, to be honest, very limited. It doesn't talk about sexual aspects, it doesn't talk about emotional aspects in distinction, कि social emotions कैसे separate है और personal emotions कैसे separate है, and many other areas. It doesn't talk about life purpose. So MI definitely has its own limitation, with due respect to Howard Gardner, but it doesn't fit in the fingerprint science. मतलब है ना कि MI theory is like 1G, and the fingerprint science is like 5G. So we are trying to fuse it, and we are totally landing up into confusions that way.
Right.
Yeah, of course, Howard Gardner doesn't approve of.
Yeah. अरे उसको तो फोर्स, उसके ऊपर इतना प्रेशर डाल दिया सर लोगों ने. उसको सवाल पूछ रहे थे कि ये एशिया में जो DMIT का बूम आया, आर यू कनेक्टेड विद, सो ही हैड रिलीज्ड ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट,
Yes,
I have nothing to do with DMIT,
Right.
and I have never endorsed assessment of MI through fingerprints. उसका ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट है.
In spite of this, I definitely would suggest our friends to read Frames of Mind.
Yeah. It is a, he has,
One must go
उसको
through it.
क्रेडिट मिलना ही चाहिए. He has definitely shifted the thought process of educationist and
It was
the
a
work.
very novel. It was a very novel contribution.
Yeah.
See, all theories will have some supporting theories afterwards, right? Like you had a 1G before, and now you have 5G, right? When 1G came, we found it very fantastic, right? And so that evolution, even in the theories, is very probable, and it is very welcome also. Fundamentals. Because when we talk about DMIT, that MI any
Sir, you're getting stuck.
DMIT.
Right.
So going through that frames of mind is necessary.
Yes. अभी तो by default सबको MI theory रट्टा by heart हो गई है.
I am talking of that book, sir.
हाँ.
I am talking of that 450 pages book.
Frames of mind. Yeah.
Frames of mind. And if we read it sincerely, not casually, if we read it sincerely, take our own notes and work upon it, it also gives us a very sound understanding about maybe its limitations. But to understand the limitations, you must know the theory first.
Right.
And that cannot be covered by 3 days, 4 days seminars. In any case,
No.
to go to the root of it.
ये इंटेलिजेंस छोड़ के अगर थोड़ा DMIT को लाइफ में उतार लो ना, तो फिर अच्छे से जी पाओगे.
Exactly.
Because
Because
intelligence
sexual
itself is a
parameters.
controversial term in the
Even
field of
that is
psychology.
limited. Even that is actually limited. If you take Indian psychology, even intellect or your intelligence capacity is not considered as an ultimate thing. It is again reflection of certain other things, which is your blueprint.
अभी जैसे अभी माइजर की भी बात हो रही थी, तो मैंने जितना देखा ना कि जिसका लॉजिक हाई हो जाता है और उसका अगर इमोशंस और नेचुरलिस्टिक अगर लो हो, और फिर वो कंजूसी होता है, एक बार का बोल सकते हैं. बस अगर उसका इमोशंस या फिर ये हाई होना नेचुरलिस्टिक, तो उसके बहा में वो बह जाता है और उसका कंफ्यूजन छोड़ देता है, वो उसकी कंजूसी. नहीं तो हमेशा वो कंजूस रहता है.
वो ओशो का एक बहुत अच्छा कोट है माइजर पे, कंजूस सबसे बड़ा दाता रहता है, वो अपना सब कुछ छोड़ के चला जाता है दुनिया के लिए.
सही है.
मराठी में एक कहावत है, you should not even use a thing that is used by a miser. उसके बोलते हैं उसकी चादर भी नहीं ओढ़नी चाहिए. Should not even use his bedsheet or whatever he is using, because you will become like him.
That is a stuck personality, because you get scared. It is a stuck personality who become scared.
Okay.
When your future becomes like, as scary as your own death, you naturally tend to become a miser.
And so many people are secondary miser because ना like बचपन में उन्होंने बड़े ही तंगी में they have seen a lot of ना गरीबी में जिए हैं तो and later on when they earn a lot of money so they know the value so they are always reluctant to spend. यार इतना क्या means we have this generation gap is the real example. Like my mom and dad अगर उनको मैं बोलूं कि भाई मैंने ना 2000 के शूज खरीदे तो ऐसा मुंह आंख खुली हो जाएगी 2000 के जूते मतलब उनके जमाने में तो 200 रुपए भी बहुत होते थे ना तो दे कंपेयर विद दोज इकोनॉमिक्स.
ये जरूर देखने को मिला कि जिसके इमोशन और नेचुरलिस्टिक हाई हो वो कभी कंजूस नहीं होता है. सामने वाले के लिए हमेशा बहाते ही रहता है वो.
हाँ वो तो है.
Because they don't know where to stop.
Yes, exactly.
चलो anything else to add?
Many people have become rich because they don't spend. Not that they earn a lot. They don't spend, so they become rich. But over a period of time, see, I was going through some, I don't exactly remember, the long back story, in which there is a reference in one of our scriptures. I don't remember the name of the scripture, wherein the author says that whatever you earn in your lifetime, 1/3 of that, okay, will be always taken away by the niyati. जो भी नियति है वो आपका 1/3 तो उठाकर लेके जाने वाली है. Instead, you start giving out, come down to distribution phase sometime in your life. Otherwise, anyway, the destiny will take it away from you. That's why we find these heart attacks, these paralysis attacks. A person saves 50 lakhs and spends 20 lakhs on that.
तो क्या ना सर पहले तो पैसा नहीं उसका टेंशन है तो फिर पैसा आ गया तो उसका टेंशन कि कोई चुरा ना ले.
See, regarding money, there is one very good thing. There should be ease in earning. There should be ease in retaining the money. And there should be ease in distribution phase also, or you can say the spending phase also. When you are comfortable in all the three phases, then naturally it balances out.
सर मेरे घर के बगल में मैं तो मेरे रियल की स्टडीज बताता हूँ. मैं तो DMIT में बहुत बाद में आया. मैं बचपन से उनको देखता हूँ. बिग शॉट फैमिली उसका खुद का एसेट ही होगा लगभग 150 करोड़ का. इतना प्रॉपर्टीज एंड सारी चीजें. बट वो बंदा बिना स्लीपर के घूमता है. घर और दुकान तक भी जाना है ना तो ही डजंट यूज एनी चप्पल शूज और स्लीपर. अच्छा उसकी स्कूटर भी कंपनी ने, उसका बिजनेस है सीमेंट का, तो कंपनी ने इंसेंटिव बोल के उसको स्कूटर दिया था. तो वो भी घर से दुकान तक धक्का मार के ले जाता पेट्रोल ना जले. ठीक है. और हम तो छोटे थे 10-12 साल थे. हम हंसते थे उस पे कि यार ये क्या करेगा, मतलब मर जाएगा तो क्या होएगा इसके पैसों का. एंड लिटरली ही कैन स्टे इन ताजमहल. इतना पैसा है. 150 करोड़ तो सिर्फ एक ना वो एक जनरल असेसमेंट है उसके प्रॉपर्टीज का. बट उसका अगर आप ड्रेसिंग उसके मतलब भाई गिनती के 4 ही ड्रेसेस है, उसी कलर शेड कॉम्बिनेशन में दिखता है हमको. स्लीपर नहीं पहनेगा, पैदल जाएगा मैक्सिमम जगह, मतलब पेट्रोल भी नहीं जलाएगा. इस तरीके का मेंटालिटी मतलब हाईएस्ट है ना, पीक है वो माइजरनेस का.
जो कांच के महल में रहता है ना सबसे ज्यादा डर
अच्छा
उसको ही रहता
अब
है.
उसके जो बच्चे हैं ना दे आर ट्रैवलिंग अब्रॉड, दे आर स्पेंडिंग मनी. तो बाप का पैसा वो लुटा रहे, वेकेशन पे रहते हैं, इधर के फोटोज आ रहे उधर के फोटोज आ रहे. तो मैंने कहा इसको हार्ट अटैक ना आ जाए बच्चों की आदतें देख के.
Okay. So coming back, Indian psychology ultimately gives you an opportunity to know what you are and to fulfill your life and do what you're supposed to do. Just go beyond. And if you literally believe in scriptures, there is no more rebirth. So if we can analyze something like that from the fingerprint, of course, many researches have to be done. We really need to work on things. Like how Pratik, I was so happy when you said like, water element, when the water element increase. So that is one idea that strikes in your head. same way there will be many things. When we always refer astrology, we always say, okay, it's a science that has evolved, but many people have literally put in their effort, their blood into it. So if we are ready for that, this will form a bridging gap. I mean, it will bridge the gap between psychology, assessment, and real counseling and remedies.
Acha, I will give you one tip. I have read something, discussed about this long, बहुत साल पहले, one of my friend I used to brainstorm. Like for example, in palmistry, this is air finger, index finger.
Yeah.
ठीक है. अब एयर फिंगर पे मान के चलो टेंटेड आर्क आ गया, मींस एयर के फिंगर पे फायर आ गया.
Fire.
सो एयर इज
Flow is high.
एयर इज नीडेड फॉर कंबशन. मतलब ना क्या होता है कि आग को बढ़ाने का काम करता है, राइट. देन इफ अगर एयर के फिंगर पे एयर ही आ गया, मींस वर्ल ही आ गया, मींस इट इज सिनर्जिस्टिक देन, राइट. एंड एयर के फिंगर पे पानी आ गया तो इट विल डाइल्यूट द इफेक्ट, राइट. So this is how you can usually test what patterns are present on which films. Is there any collision between the elements, or the elements are into synergy? You will find many answers to it, like that way.
Each aspect, if we take, one person take each aspect and then work on it, that itself will give a huge work.
To give some homework, na madam.
यही होमवर्क अभी दिया है सर. बुक पढ़ना है आपने
We will
सबने.
start with book, book and reading, and more contribution will come. Like today, Pratik spoke about it. He can actually, present his research. So
Well,
these
there
are
is
all-
again one topic when we talk about our GMS and FMS, it is
हाँ.
connected more with the sexual parameter we says.
Right.
But in case अगर वो रिलीज नहीं होते हैं ना, तो बस उनको खुले आसमान के नीचे बैठने को भी अगर हम दे दे, तो वहां पे भी उनको बड़ा रिलैक्सेशन मिलता है.
Exactly.
और जब वो तेज हवा के अंदर बैठता है ना वो टेरेस पे, तो लिटरली मॉर्निंग टाइम वी कैन से सनसेट और सनराइज, लिटरली उनका जीएमएस ऑटोमेटिक रिलीज होता है विदाउट एक्सरसाइज.
Oh my God. See?
जस्ट बिकॉज मैं तो ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ा एक्चुअली इसमें, जस्ट आई हैव कनेक्टेड दिस 5 फिंगर्स विद 5 एलिमेंट्स. एंड उसके जब एक्सपेरिमेंट्स देखे ना उसके अंदर, तो इतना लिटरली चेंज दिख के आता है कि हम सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं. क्योंकि मैंने क्या रेमेडीज एक्चुअली बहुत फॉलो किया पहले, बट रेमेडीज सामने वाला क्लाइंट करता ही नहीं है, और फिर लास्ट में ब्लेम अपने ऊपर डालता है कि भाई कुछ हुआ नहीं चेंज. तो मैंने ऐसे कुछ रेमेडीज के अंदर ऐड करने की कोशिश किया कि भाई तू ऐसे नहीं तो वैसे कर ही लेगा वो वाला. दैट सिंपल रेमेडीज वी कैन मेक नाउ. सो ऐसा लगता है कि इससे कुछ थोड़ा चेंज आ सकता है डीएमआईटी फील्ड में.
It will definitely come. In fact, remedy should not be given by an unknown person. Remedy should be given by the counselor who know what the culture of the client is. Otherwise, there is no point in giving. Only thing you can generalize. That is one big issue. Like, I'm not seeing a person, but I can make the report properly. Okay. When it comes to doing remedies, you don't know what will affect. Like, your culture is different, and me sitting in Kerala, think about it, writing for someone who is in Kashmir. So remedial area should be worked accordingly. There are times when I do these kind of things. I have, whenever I have severe anxiety clients coming in, okay, there is a general medicine, which is very natural, which we all used to, give, and we used to have whenever there is tensions and all. It is a simple thing. Like, you take a lotus flower, you make a decoction of it, which is called kashayam in, Malayalam, with milk. Now you have it, it actually eases your, not just your nervous system, but also your metabolism. So these are simple things which we should know, so that when we have a client, it should not be like, okay, you practice only these things, it will be okay for you.
And just to add, Pratik, every life on this planet, or any other, if it exists on any other planet, it is made of all the elements which are already existing in the cosmos. Okay. So nature has by default all the remedial measures available. But it depends. Let's assume stargazing can be a fantastic remedy for a person like me who has a fantasy, likes to live into fantasy world, who has great observation, like ना, अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो since childhood means I was aspiring to become astronaut when I was 6-7 years old. Okay, तो the space always attracted me. ठीक है, there are so many, some people may feel relaxed by just looking at the green trees, fruit bearing trees. Some people may get relaxed by seeing the waves of the ocean. कुछ लोगों को नदी किनारे बैठ के भी बड़ा मजा आ सकता है. तो nature has everything in it to provide cure to all your ailments, first of all. But the difference है कि हमको पता होना चाहिए कि इसको कौन सा nature का part connect कर सकता है. Because we are made of nature, we are nature itself, we are part of nature. So ऐसा कोई भी बंदा दुनिया में नहीं होगा जिसको nature का कुछ ना कुछ पसंद नहीं आएगा. किसी को ह्यूमन, अगर हम बोलते हैं कि मैन मेड चीजें भी है तो भी वो भी पार्ट ऑफ नेचर है, बिकॉज इट इज बीन मेड बाय मैन एंड मैन इज डायरेक्टली पार्ट ऑफ नेचर, राइट.
नहीं, एक्चुअली इसका एग्जांपल मुझे मेरे से ही मिला.
हाँ.
जैसे मेरा ने क्या L4 R4 थोड़ा हाई इस पे आता था, तो मैं देखा कि मैं अर्थ एलिमेंट से बहुत ज्यादा कनेक्टेड था. इवन तो नीचे बैठ जाता था तो एकदम एनर्जी मिल जाती थी, ऐसा लगता था मुझे अंदर से. तो फिर मैंने धीरे धीरे एक तो मेरे रिलेटिव से कनेक्ट किया ना, फिर उसके बाद मुझे पता चला लिटरली ये चीज होती है. फिर उसके बाद में अब मैंने थोड़ा सा बाहर निकालना को स्टार्ट किया कि लोगों को भी बोलता हूँ मैं, क्लाइंट्स को भी, कि भाई ये चीज कर लो बोल के अभी.
और यही प्रैक्टिसेस इफ यू विजिट द ना एंशिएंट साइंसेस, चाहे वो आयुर्वेदा हो या अदर या चक्रा, आपके एलिमेंट्स, आपके बॉडी में कौन सा एलिमेंट या आपकी पर्सनालिटी में कौन सा एलिमेंट हाई है, उस हिसाब से लाइन ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट होता था. बिकॉज अगर आपको पता ही नहीं कि भाई कोई फायर पर्सनालिटी और आप उसको ना और घी डाले जा रहे हो तो वो कैसे क्योर होएगा. तो बेसिकली आप दोज पीपल यूज्ड टू वर्क ऑन द रूट्स, कि उसके बाद ही फिर ट्रीटमेंट होता था. अभी तो हम डायरेक्टली सबको उठा के कुछ भी रेमेडी दे रहे हैं तो दैट डजंट वर्क, बिकॉज आधे से ज्यादा लोगों को तो समझ नहीं आती है रेमेडी क्यों मेरे को दी है. ठीक है, तो करेंगे क्यों.
मैंने वही किया सर. हर किसी को उठा के एक तो कैसियो आ जाता था या फिर फॉरेन लैंग्वेज.
हाँ,
हमेशा सिनॉप्सिस में ज्यादा करके वही लिखा रहता था, दे दो. अरे वो खेड़े में है या फिर सिटी में, इवन सिटी के लोग भी नहीं करते उसको.
हाँ,
तो फिर वो जोड़े गाँव की बात तो छोड़ ही दो, क्योंकि उनको टीचर नहीं मिलता, प्रॉपर कुछ नहीं मिलता, फिर लास्ट में खुद के ऊपर ब्लेम रखते हैं. इससे मैंने देखा कि डिप्रेशन में ज्यादा जाता है. डिप्रेशन में ज्यादा जाता है वो. किया तो सर ने मुझे रेमेडी और मैं कर नहीं पाया बोल के मैं भी और लो हो रहा हूँ और डाउन हो रहा हूँ उस चीज में.
That is what I told you, Pratik. Like, you cannot give a specific remedy for a person you don't know or you have not seen.
Yes.
So remedial area should be designed and should be done exclusively by the counselor. They should be trained in it. Only because you are interested and you are taking the effort. Otherwise, what option do I have to bring out the expression of a person than to put him into a music class or a singing class, right? And that too, I always suggest 1 or 2 remedies maximum. If that case is too bad, go for 4 remedies. But that too, it is not possible actually. So I then I found out, like, I'll give grapho analysis and graphotherapy. Okay, this is my experience. Because giving graphotherapy, I've seen, like, you literally understand the acquired of the person, whatever the person has acquired. So you slowly start working on the acquired first.
Yes.
And it has always helped me. Like, okay, there are people find it a little bit difficult in the beginning, but then again, counselors should be in such a, helpful manner that they are able to cross that limit of their personality.
Yes, no, madam. I will share a quick experience because we are coming to conclusion. कई बारी ना रेमेडी बड़ी ऊट पटांग भी हो सकती है और इंस्टेंटली आपके दिमाग में आ सकती है. आई विल शेयर वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड, ही ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू शेयर कॉम्प्लिकेटिव केसेस. तो उसने शेयर किया कि एक लड़का है, वो घर वालों के साथ मारपीट कर रहा है, गाली गलौज कर रहा है और कुछ सुन ही नहीं रहा है किसी की. ठीक है, अब और वो बोलता है कि मैं बाहर जाके तो कुछ करूंगा नहीं, ये गिटार विटार कुछ नहीं, मैं घर में, मतलब ही वाज इन सो मच ना रेबेलियस मोड, इगोइस्टिक मोड, कि वो किसी का कुछ सुनने को ही तैयार नहीं था. तब वो मेरे को बोलता है कि सर इसको रेमेडी क्या दे. ठीक है, तो मैं आई डोंट नो हाउ इट पॉप्ड अप. मैं उसको बोला भाई एक काम कर, उसको बोला सिर्फ रोज आईने के सामने 10 मिनट खड़ा रहे. तो बोले होएगा क्या वर्क, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता है वर्क होएगा कि नहीं, बट देखते हैं ट्राई करके, क्योंकि घर से बाहर वो जाना नहीं चाहता। एंड लिटरली वो शायद प्लासिबो इफेक्ट बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो, वो 10-12 दिन बाद शांत हो गया, ठीक है। फिर थोड़ा सा वो काउंसलर के साथ उसका कनेक्शन बना वगैरह, तो वो फिर मुझे कॉल करके बोलता है कि हाँ मैंने कहा मेरे को नहीं पता वो आईने के सामने खड़े रहने से, बट मेरे दिमाग में आया, मैंने रिकमेंड कर दिया। और मैंने इसलिए रिकमेंड किया कि एटलीस्ट ही शुड सी हिमसेल्फ व्हाट अ पर्सन ही इज इन द मिरर। उसको कई बार गुस्सा आ रहा है, वो अपने इमोशंस देख सके आईने में, ठीक है, तो शायद उसके ऊपर वो कुछ काम कर पाएगा। तो मुझे लगता है एनीथिंग कैन बी रेमेडी डिपेंडिंग ऑन सिचुएशन, पर्सन एंड केस,
Yes.
एंड यू शुड बी क्रिएटिव इनफ टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद रेमेडीज। और इस रेमेडी को तो कौन सा पैसा लगा ही नहीं, अब वैसे भी हर बंदा 5-10 मिनट स्पेंड करता ही है, बस यहाँ पे उसको एक रेमेडी बोल के अलग से 10 मिनट खड़े रह जाना है, अपने अपने आप को ऑब्जर्व करना, निहारना है। तो ऐसे एनीथिंग कैन बी रेमेडी इफ until and unless it creates productive results.
Exactly. That again depends on the counselor skill.
Yes. So there are always people like me who come up with anything. तो चलो, it has been fantastic session. 2 घंटे हो गए, पता भी नहीं चला भाई। So
And
we'll
I
continue.
hope those people who are not talking, they were also not bored.
And
No, thanks for all the inputs. I got a lot of ideas today.
अच्छा, we might
Fantastic session today.
we might
Thank you.
अच्छा, how about talking on modern psychology through a psychologist in coming weeks?
Not me.
No, we have definitely Rishi sir with us, so he will be talking about it. We should at least also know na the evolution of modern psychology and other things. तो बाद में तो हमको घूम फिर के फिंगरप्रिंट्स पे ही आना है, हम जाएंगे कहाँ पे, मुल्ला की दौड़
Most
फिंगरप्रिंट्स पे
welcome.
की है।
Most welcome.
We really need to know, and I'll tell you why. Because when people talk to you, you should be able to clearly say, "See, this is where your limit is. We have learned that, and this is where our opportunity is. Now you
Exactly.
better learn that."
Right.
That is what we should be giving.
So I will definitely request and talk to Rishi sir कि if he is available on next Wednesday, then we can plan 1 or 2 session on discussion on modern psychology. And because as a counselor, you should be at least aware what are the tools and tests available, how the modern psychology has
Yes.
evolved in last 40-50 years, and
Yes.
what is their thought process basically.
Yes.
So we'll see if he is available next Wednesday. We'll surely discuss on that.
Sure.
Chalo
Yes.
then, thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you so much.